Good afternoon children, this is Hanuman sir here. So in the previous class we are discussing about trigonometry. So we know that there are six fundamental trigonometric ratios are there and six reciprocals of trigonometric ratios are there, and also we are discussing about standard angles of trigonometric ratios and complementary angles of trigonometric ratios. So next last concept, that is a trigonometric identity. So we know that the first trigonometric identity is sine square theta plus cos square theta equals 1, and second trigonometric identity is tan square is equals to 1 plus secant square theta, and third trigonometric identities is so cosecant square a is equals to 1 plus cot square a, right? So by using all the three trigonometric identities, so we are discussed today about exercise 8.4. so under exercise 8.4, so fifth minor, so the sixth one, so we need to show that LHS equals RHS. So here we have a question, so that is square root of 1 plus sine a divided by 1 minus sine a, which is equals to prove that secant a plus tan a, secant a plus tan a, right? So I am going to consider LHS, that is LHS is equals to square root of 1 plus sine a divided by 1 minus sine a, 1 plus sine a divided by 1 minus sine a. So the rationalizing the denominator of 1 minus sine a is 1 plus sine a. So here I am going to multiply both numerator and denominator has 1 plus sine a divided by 1 plus sine a, because the rationalizing factor of the denominator 1 minus sine a is 1 plus sine a divided by 1 plus sine a, right? Yes. So when we multiply, numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator, so it is 1 plus sine a into 1 plus sine a. So therefore 1 plus sine a whole square whole divided by, this is 1 minus sine a into 1 plus sine a. When we multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator, we get 1 plus sine a whole square divided by 1 minus sine a into 1 plus sine a, right? Yes. So now we are going to split the root on both the numerator and denominator. So we get square root of 1 plus sine a whole square whole divided by minus b square. We know that the factors of a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So here we have a is 1 and b is sine a. So a square minus b square is nothing but 1 square minus sine square a. We can split the square root on both numerator and denominator. So we get square root of 1 plus sine square a, sine a whole square divided by square root of 1 minus sine square a. So here 1 plus sine a whole square, so square roots gets cancelled, then remaining here we have in the numerator remaining we have 1 plus sine a divided by, so instead of 1 minus sine square a, so by using trigonometric identity 1, so sine square a plus cos square a equals 1, so cos square a is equals to 1 minus, by transposing plus cos square a is minus cos square a, right? Yes. So instead of 1 minus sine square a, we take cos square a, instead of this we take cos square a. So square roots gets cancelled and remaining 1 plus sine a in denominator. So instead of 1 minus sine square is cos square a. So next we have 1 plus sine a whole divided by cos square root of cos square a can be written as cos a whole square. So again square roots gets cancelled, then remaining is 1 plus sine a divided by cos a. When you split the cos a into first numerator and second numerator, so we get 1 by cos a plus 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a, 1 by cos a plus sin a by cos a, so which is equals to 1 by cos. So the reciprocal of 1 by cos is secant a plus sin a by cos a. This is a special trigonometric function. So instead of sin a by cos a is tan a. Is it clear to all children? Yes. Anything else that I could assist you children? Root of 1 plus sine a whole square whole divided by, so we know that it is in the form of a square minus b square. So the factors of a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b, right? Yes, so a plus b into a minus b. Here we have a is 1 and b is equals to sine a. So therefore square root of, so 1 plus sine a into 1 minus sine a is 1 minus sine square a, which is equals to so see here, square roots gets cancelled, then remaining 1 plus sine a all divided by, so we know that by identity, so trigonometric identity, so sine square a plus cos square a equals 1. So therefore cos square a is equals to 1 minus sine square a. Cos square a equals 1 minus sine square a. So instead of 1 minus sine a, so we take cos square a. So it can be written as 1 plus sine a all divided 1 plus sine a all divided by square root of cos square a can be written as cos a all square. So now square roots gets cancelled, then remaining is 1 plus sine a all divided by cos a. Therefore we get to 1 by cos a plus sine a by cos a, which is equals to 1 plus cos a is secant a plus sine by cos it tan a. Hence we get RHS. Is this clear to all children? Yes. So I am going to repeat once again. See here, so LHS is, we need to show that LHS is equals to RHS. So square root of 1 plus sine a divided by 1 minus sine a is equals to secant a plus tan a. So square root of 1 plus sine a divided by 1 minus sine a. So the reciprocal of 1 minus sine a is the rationalizing denominator of 1 minus sine a is 1 plus sine a divided by 1 plus sine a. When we multiply both numerator and denominator has 1 plus sine a by 1 plus sine a, so we get to see this is 1 plus sine a into 1 plus sine a, 1 plus sine a whole square whole divided by, so is of the form a square minus b square. We know that the factors of a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So here we have a is 1 and b is sine a. So a square minus b square is nothing but 1 square minus sine square a. We can split the square root on both numerator and denominator.